What is the risk-benefit analysis from the Nuremberg Code? Imagine a world where medical experiments could cause harm without any regard for human dignity. That was the dark reality before the Nuremberg trials. The Nuremberg Code was created to prevent such abuses from happening again. It set a clear rule that the risks of any human research should never be greater than the potential benefits. This idea came straight from the horrors of Nazi doctors who performed inhumane experiments during World War II. Their actions shocked the world and led to the need for strict ethical standards. The code requires researchers to carefully look at their study design first. They must ask if the research is scientifically sound and worth the risks involved. When evaluating risks, they need to consider how likely harm is to happen and how severe that harm might be. Benefits are looked at separately because they are often easier to justify. For example, a study might help many patients or advance medical knowledge. But no benefit can justify cruelty or inhumane treatment. The code makes it clear that no matter how important the research, cruelty is never acceptable. Only risks that are necessary for the research should be accepted. This means that researchers cannot expose subjects to unnecessary danger just to get results. The code also emphasizes fairness in choosing who participates. It says that people with the same illness should have equal chances to take part. Vulnerable groups like prisoners or people with mental health issues can only be included under strict conditions. This is to protect them from coercion or exploitation. Today, ethics committees or institutional review boards use these principles to review research proposals. They ask if the benefits outweigh the risks and if the study respects the dignity of participants. The risk-benefit analysis from the Nuremberg Code remains a core part of how we protect human subjects in medical research. It reminds us that science should never come at the expense of human rights or safety. This approach helps ensure that research is done ethically, respecting the value of every person involved.